$500 guaranteed, $350 guaranteed, $300 guaranteed, and the list goes on and on to over 260 active contests available for you to win. Look, this might be one of the best ways to make money online with no money needed to start, no experience or degree required. And did I mention it's available worldwide? Look, if you have a computer or a smartphone, you know how to type, and you want to make upwards of $500 per day by just typing names online, then this might be for you. Stay tuned.
Tell me, how does it feel living that good life? Never ever really had to think twice.
What's going on, fam? Justin Hauser here, and welcome to the Justin Hauser Show, where I go over vital information in only 5 minutes on how to make you financially smart and rich. And most importantly, if you get value in this video, then let's help that YouTube algorithm and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss any of my future videos. Also, feel free to check the description below for show notes and links to all recommended products. So let's not waste any time and get right into it. How to make $500 per day to just type names online. So let me get straight to the point. I will go into detail step by step on exactly what this is and how to put you in the best position to make this money. And if you stay until the end, I will show you the top 5 tips on how to up your chances of getting selected and making this money. But let's face it, if you can't sit through this 10 to 15 minute video, then you aren't ready to make this type of money anyways. But I know that's not you. So let's go to SquadHelp.com. Before I tell you exactly what this is and how it works, I want to log into my dashboard and show you the recent winners in the leaderboard to show the potential of this site. Heading over to winners, leaderboard, contest 1. Here's a list of the top 25 users based on how many contests that they won in the past month. The number 1 user, Little Dino, won 6 different contests for a total amount earned of over $66,000. And remember, this is only in the past month, averaging over $11,000 per contest won. Number 2 won 5 contests totaling over $3,000. Number 3 won 5 contests totaling over $10,000. Scrolling down the page, you can see $17,000 earned, $12,000, $32,000, $26,000, and so on. Now let's head over to the recent winners. Just so you know, I'm filming this video at 7 a.m. on May 8th. $100 for Navy Fox. I actually really like this one. Kind of mad I didn't think of this before. A Career Forward for $200. Pebble and Stem for $135, and Eco and Braun for $100. So now that you know how much money can be made, let me show you exactly what SquadHelp is. Founded in 2011 and headquartered right outside Chicago, Illinois, SquadHelp is the world's largest platform for company naming and branding. They have helped over 25,000 brands worldwide, from early stage startups all the way up to large enterprises. From machine learning to audience testing to comprehensive trademark validation, SquadHelp provides world-class support for branding projects. In other words, they are a branding agency, just not the traditional way that you see companies. Maybe you've heard of this guy named Gary Vaynerchuk, or Gary V as people know him. He's a huge social media influencer that has millions of followers and also runs an ad agency in New York that employs about 800 personnel. How SquadHelp differs from a company like Gary V's is that SquadHelp uses a pool of freelancers, not paid employees. So how does this work? Let me show you this quick video that explains it in detail.
Here's how SquadHelp works. Let's say Oliver just came up with a great business plan for an e-commerce fashion brand, but he's struggling to find a great name. Oliver can start by answering a set of questions about his business and brand. Almost instantly, these details are sent to the SquadHelp naming community. Great name ideas start pouring in. URLs are auto-checked for availability, while Oliver gives instant feedback through ratings, and even collaborates one-on-one with his favorite creatives. But how does Oliver know which of these great names to choose? Simple. He gets unbiased feedback from real people. Then he sends his top names to our team of licensed trademark attorneys who create high-end trademark reports. Oops, this one could be hard to protect. Now, Oliver loves his company name. And his customers are excited about his brand. And that's how SquadHelp is making agency-level branding available to everyone. Launch your project today.
Pretty cool, right? That is how it works in a nutshell on the business side of things. But before I go into detail and tell you what each of these tabs at the top is, let me show you how to sign up. To sign up, you simply go back to the homepage of SquadHelp, click on Sign Up, enter all the information requested, and click Join as Creative, and then click Create Account. Easy as that. And maybe another pressing question is who can join this platform? Anyone over the age of 18 from anywhere in the world. However, SquadHelp does have an extensive quality scoring process that ensures that only the highest quality creatives have the ability to continue to participate in the platform site-wide. In other words, when you first start, and until you get consistently high ratings from the customers, you will be limited in what you can apply for and how many times you can apply. So what exactly is this quality scoring? Looking at the screen right here, your percentile ranking score is a relative score that provides your overall ranking on SquadHelp based on the CH ratings. SquadHelp uses this score to determine how many entries you can submit in future contests. The higher your percentile ranking score is, you're able to submit more entries. How is your percentile ranking score calculated? Your percentile ranking score is a combination of several factors over the last 6 months. Percentage of your total submitted entries that were liked or loved by contest holders. Your overall contest wins. How often were you removed from the contest by the CH for not following the brief? You can go to this page later on if you want to also see 3 examples that go into detail on how it works. But basically, once you have received enough high ratings on your submissions, your account will be upgraded to full access so you can start participating site-wide. So how do we get paid? You get paid via PayPal or Pioneer, depending on what country you currently reside in. Now let's go back to my dashboard and take a look at the tabs on the top. Let's go over the first one called Active Contest. When you click on Active Contest, you will see any that's currently assigned to you and also the different kind of contest available. For this video, I am only going to go over the name contest, so let's click on that. As you can see, there are over 230 naming costs available. Luxury name for watch brand manufacturer, $300 guaranteed. Website name for a tech platform, $300 guaranteed. Vitamin C supplement brand name, $300 guaranteed. And you have another 226 to go through to see which one of them that you want to enter in. So let's open up one and look at it more in detail. I personally like the one that's called Name for a Podcast. Once we have it open, it is going to show you more details on exactly what they're looking for, such as the contest type, the title of the project, what the brand is about, etc. This podcast will be interviewing everyday entrepreneurs, non-tech business. They are millionaires, but not known widely. They even provide details on their prospective listener, what style the brand should convey, the maximum letter or words in their name that they want, and also what keywords or ideas they would like to incorporate in it. So there's the Active Contest tab. Let's quickly go over the other tabs and then jump into the 5 tips to help you get selected more frequently and get your name on that leaderboard. The next is called the Explore tab. This is where you can look into detail on what exactly the names, taglines, and logos that the companies are looking for, and also what it's selling for if you're on the buying side. I like to look on this to see what is out there for sale and see what's trending. This will help in my research. And the next tab is called the Marketplace tab. This is where you can see your personal dashboard information, such as your total views, your contest likes, total sold, etc. You can explore through this tab also, and you can look up help articles. The Winners tab is next. This is where you can look up past winners and also the leaderboards. I use this to see what designs are winning so I can get an idea about how to do my submissions. I also like to see the leaderboard and see why certain users are consistently on there and then learn from their submission. And the next tab is the Help tab. This is where you can get FAQs, contact customer support, get pricing, and also seeing testimonials. And the Social tab is where they have a forum where freelancers like you can communicate, and also where SquadHelp can give out information or updates about their site. You can also go to their blog via this tab also. Now it's time for the top 5 tips to help you get selected more frequently. Tip number 1, use a business name or URL generator. I don't know about you, but I personally do not have a background in creative arts or marketing where this stuff comes naturally for me. So how can we overcome this and actually make money with SquadHelp?
Use generators.
A couple of my favorites for this is the Shopify Business Name Generator and also NameMesh.com. Let's hop over to the first one, the Shopify Business Name Generator. To get there, you can go to google.com and type in Shopify Business Name Generator, or go directly to their site at shopify.com/tools/business tag name tag generator. Going back to the previous example that we talked about on SquadHelp about the podcast name contest, they were looking for keywords of success in business. They were interviewing everyday non-tech millionaires. They want a .com URL. And this is important as most companies want a .com URL as it is the most recognizable and is also the easiest to rank in Google search. So I always make sure the .com is available and no preference on the maximum number of words or letters. So let's type in Business Success Podcast into the generator and then click Generate. And instantly over 100 different business names have been generated. This is why I love these automatic generators. They get the brain juice flowing and it takes a lot of work out of the researching. Melody Business Success, One Life Business Success,
Ooh, like that.
Newcastle Business Success, Core Business Success, Jubilee Business Success. Personally, I really like the One Life Business Success, so let's go with that. Now let's head over to namemesh.com to see if the .com URL is available. Let's type in our pick, One Life Success Business. But let's also add podcast to the end of it to solidify it even more. Click on generate and there it is available. What's cool is that this also gives you a bunch of other suggestions of URLs as well. I personally think that this is too long and I think that we should shorten it. You can see underneath the search box that they have some suggestions. One Life Business sounds really good, so let's click on that. And then let's also add podcast at the end of it and then click generate. And it's available. So here's our name and URL that we're now gonna submit to the SquadHelp contest that we're gonna enter. Tip number 2, create multiple SquadHelp accounts. The math is simple. If you only have a single account and you're allowed to submit up to 10 times, that's 10 submissions per post. However, if you have 5 accounts and you're allowed 10 submissions for each account, you now have 50 submissions, vice 1 to try to get accepted. Tip number 3, try to find ideas that align with the contest brief, name ideas that are easy to say and pleasing to hear, and name ideas that are easy to spell. In tip number 1, I searched exactly for the keywords that they wanted. I read their avatar in detail. I shortened the name to make it better for SEO purposes on Google. However, I didn't have to do this, but again, provide above and beyond products to the customer and financial gains will follow. Tip number 4, watch SquadHelp's video training called Business and Brand Ideas 101 Essential Training. This is coming directly from SquadHelp.com and where they share the proven tools and techniques to create the names or businesses that people want. So if it's coming from the source, it might be good info. This video is located at this URL right here. And tip number 5, actually start submitting ideas. Look, 99% of these people watching this video will not even go to squadhelp.com and fully complete the sign up process. So be the top 1% of people who will not only take action and sign up, but also start participating in contests and start making that money. So there it is, how to make $500 in a day to just type names online. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, can you be that 1% of people and smash that like button? Now it's time for question of the day. What is one technique that you learned in this video that you will take with you to better your chances of getting accepted more frequently in these contests? Please leave your answer below in the comments as I would love to connect with you. And remember, God sees you and He loves you. I'll see you on the next video.